Hello YouTubers, I wanted to pop on with a video on how to cut the latest and greatest in printed heat transfer vinyl material. I bought this at a show recently, so I'm going to show you how to cut this one. These are our standard heat transfer materials. This is glitter and this is just regular, and we're used to mirroring it and then putting it through the machine and weeding it like my little, you see, this is part of a peacock. I messed them up, so and you flip them over and you heat press them down. Now this printed material is a little bit different. It doesn't have a carrier sheet on the top like these guys do, so we're not going to mirror the image. We are going to we're going to leave them regularly, and we'll peel away what we don't want, and then we'll take another page and peel it off. But before you assume that every printed heat transfer page is the same, this guy I ordered off the internet is the same as this stuff, where you have the sheet, the carrier sheets on top, and you mirror your image and you flip it. So make sure when you're either buying or ordering which way you're supposed to do it, if you mirror it or not. Alright, so I have my design on my screen. It's a little Doxie. You see them sometimes on my videos. You see the puppy. This is my pattern vinyl that I'm going to cut. I have not mirrored, once again. You can also use the green cutting mats in the Silhouette Cameo. They're cheaper, and you can cut them so that they line up better with the grid on the screen. So once again, we have not mirrored standard put vinyl on page cutting mat. I'm using the vinyl settings in the computer. Let's try that again. I'm using the cutting settings that come for just standard vinyl, and I am going to test cut. Alright, so my test cut came out like it should have. I'm going to load it back in the machine. This is standard cutting at this point, so we are going to come back when it is done. Alright, so we're done with cutting. Before you take this mat out of the machine, make sure it is cut where it needs to cut. If you haven't removed it, you have a chance of salvaging your piece of vinyl. If you remove it, you're never going to get the cut lines to line back up. But say this didn't cut like it needed to, you can make cut adjustments and send it back through, as long as you do not remove this mat. Once you remove the mat, you're done. You're stuck with it. So, this is me making sure that it's cut like it's supposed to. I will tell you, this is a pain in the butt to weed. Keeping it real. You're gonna need a hook of some kind, because it's really a pain to get it started. I'm gonna weed it, and then I'll come back and tell you what to do next. Alright, so I got our Doxie weeded. He actually weeded pretty easy. Something like this with a little bit more lines and shapes and stuff is a little bit bigger of a pain to weed. The hook definitely helps quite a lot. Also, I cut off the bottom half, so I can use this again for something else. Monogram something. Alright, now to get your Doxie off this paper and onto a shirt, you're going to need this. This is a transfer paper that they use for rhinestones, so it can be heated up. Do not use the transfer tape they use for stickers. It will melt into a giant mess. I actually don't know that from first-hand experience, but I would imagine it would melt. These guys, the transfer paper, you can use multiple times. I don't know if you can tell, it's got black fuzz on it from a t-shirt. But what you're going to do is you're going to peel this off. Stick him on your Doxie. And then take scraper. Burnish him on. And peel them off. And if he doesn't want to come off, you can take this and get him to come off. A little better. So there is your Doxie, and he is ready to go to the heat press now. Alright, sorry for the bad lighting. We're sitting on the floor in the basement. Sorry, gotta make do. We're sitting at the heat press, and this is our Paisley Doxie. I've already pressed my shirt once, just a quick press. And what I'm going to do now is I got them set for manufacturer's recommendations for heat press settings. So I'm just going to press them. Alright, he's done. So we'll peel them right up. I would press them again with a Teflon sheet just to make sure he's there, and then make sure that you can see some of the fabric wrinkles through your vinyl. And that's all there is to it. So this is our finished Doxie shirt. This is our pattern. This is actually strip flock. It's fuzzy. And I did the back because I'm crazy. Embrace the crazy. So please go check out our webpage. The Doxie designs will be up there. And we have free stuff each month. You can also like us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching.